Right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. I want to do something slightly different today. I've just come across this interesting article on CoinGate about two coins that I've got quite large holdings in, which are Cardano and XRP. The article's about which will hit $1 first in 2023. I'll start off by saying thanks for stopping by to the channel. If you find anything interesting, please drop a like, subscribe. Any questions, leave them in the boxes below, and I'll always reply to everyone. Also, I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. So the article reads as follows. The battle for supremacy between Cardano and Ripple has been going on for a long time. While both Cardano and Ripple are notable cryptocurrencies in today's market, they use different mechanisms. Cardano is intended for general use, whereas Ripple is designed for private banking use. Ripple is also focused on offering an efficient value transfer, while Cardano is primarily focused on fueling a robust ecosystem of decentralized applications, or DApps, or DApps. So, let's see who can cross the $1 barrier in 2023, which is just 1 month away. Right, so they start off with Cardano. Cardano, ticker ADA, has drawn a wide spectrum of investors due to its substantial market gains, as well as its energy efficient mechanism, which is considered to be far more environmentally friendly than Bitcoin. Cardano's price is expected to rise in 2023 due to a number of factors. Cardano is projected to enter the institutional adoption circle in the near future. Cardano is now one of the top cryptocurrencies to buy on the market. With the ADA pricing forecast for 2023 looking promising, some analysts believe Cardano will reach $1. However, before this occurs, the ADA price may continue in its current trend, but in light of the current FTX Alameda crisis and the forecast based solely on data, which is actually the mood of the market, this virtual currency may struggle to reach $1 next year. Cardano and its market environment have been in a negative cycle for the last 12 months, according to current statistics. Investors' wallets predicts a downward trend in the future. It is plausible that ADA is not a good investment for making money at this moment. I'm not sure. I always find when the market's down, it's the best time to buy if you're prepared to hold for a long time. So, agree to disagree. But I think it's a decent investment. I'm still going to continue to accumulate at these levels. It's been at an all-time high of around $3, so if we can get to there, then we're all going to be quids in. Ripple XRP. With an ongoing legal case, XRP's future may look uncertain. However, after gaining access to the SEC's internal documents, Ripple witnessed a tremendous price surge and even crossed the $1 barrier last year. Wallet investors experts predicted that the price of XRP would reach 0.6 by the end of 2021. However, XRP prices have already surpassed $1 in 2021. According to present data, Wallet Investors AI crypto analyst predicts that there will be a positive trend in the future, and XRP might be a good option for investors looking to make money in the near future. Since XRP has a positive outlook, it is possible that XRP will touch the $1 mark in 2023. Right, so what they're saying is that they reckon XRP will reach $1 before Cardano. No one's got a crystal ball, but I'll be happy if either of them hit $1. I've got quite a large holding of both. I've got more XRP than I do have ADA because I've been accumulating that since 2017, but I've only been accumulating Cardano for the last 6 months or so. So we go back to the market as a whole. I did this earlier on another video. We've got a market cap of 823 billion. 24-hour trading volume of 53 billion, and Bitcoin dominance sits at 38.5%. It's currently trading at 16,500. It's not moved at all day. It's been very flat across the board. There's nothing up, nothing much down. If you look at the XRP price, it's sitting at 0.37 cents, up 1.4% on the day. It's got an market cap of 18 billion. And a circulating supply of 50.23 billion. If we go over to Cardano, it's down 1.59% and sits at 0.32 cents. Market cap 11 billion and a circulating supply of 34.41 billion. So there's less Cardano out there, but I don't know. They've both got utility, so I'm not going to compare one to the other. They do different things, but they're both good at what they do. So if we go and look at the chart, this is Cardano on the daily. If we draw a little, we can see that we've got some support forming in this region, which is around 0.32. It's been tested 1, 2, 3, 4 times, bounced off every time. And the next resistance, I'll draw that on. I always use the body. I don't count the wicks. Well, the wicks obviously count if you're in a if you're in a day trade, because you get stopped out on them. But I normally draw them to the body. So it's tested it 1, 2, 3, 4 times as well. So we're in between this range, which is a 110 pip range. So 38% from bottom to top. Looking out onto the bigger time frames, sorry, get rid of that. Weekly, you can see it's been a downtrend since. I need to get rid of that. So I'm going to renew this on Black Friday because they messed about my subscription. I was originally paying $250 a year, and they tried to charge me $450 a year. So I said no thanks, I'll renew on Black Friday. So I'm just using the very, very basic trading view at the moment, which isn't ideal because I've not got my 50 MA, I've not got my 100 MA, which I use for targets, and it's given me a better view of the market. But my favourite things are the MACD and these two EMAs set at the high and the low. I won't tell you the period, that's my own private little thing. I don't really want to share that, but they are quite useful. So yeah, from the 21st, from August 2021, that was when we were at $3.15. It's been a constant decline, and it looks like, because if you go even further back, and if I bring my ray, yeah, there was support around that area there as well. Was resistance became support, bounced off of that, and it's worked its way back down. So I think this is the bottom. I could be wrong. I'm not a financial advisor, as previously stated, but I comfortably see this hitting $1, so I see no problem with accumulating this. Over to XRP. Let's close this. What are we on? We're on the weekly there. So again, where are we here? That's May 21. That's not the high, but that's where I set that trend line from, because it's had a few tests. It's like 1, 2, and it's been tested again around here. So I'd like to see a break of this trend line to see any sort of confirmation of a bullish reversal. On the week, let's go back to the daily. So again, yeah, we're trapped. We've got support here that's been tested numerous times. So I'd say support is firmly in at 32 cents now. I don't see that being broken unless some catastrophic news comes out or another FTX debacle type thing happens. There's that trend line from the higher time frame. So where we're sitting now is at 0.37. I'd like to see it close above 0.38 because that has become resistance from the 18th of September. It was broken, but it came back down, and now it's testing it again. So I'd like to see a clean break of this and then head up towards this trend line for more bullish confirmation. But to be honest with you, I'm not fussed about price at the moment. Anything around here is accumulation for me. Once we get up to 50 cents, then I'd probably might buy a bit, but I'd slow down on it. But around here, only spare capital I've got, I'm stacking into XRP, Ripple and VeChain. So that's pretty much it for that. It was just a bit of a different one. I don't know if you're in both, if you're in either, if you have any preference, feel free to let me know in the comment section below. If you found this interesting, drop a like and subscribe. Apparently if you like the video, get it to a wider audience, so that helps me out. So anyway, thanks for your time, and I wish you all a wonderful evening. Bye for now.